Hello guys, welcome to Data Hacks. In this video, I'm going to explain about FS module which is built in. First of all, I'm going to clear the file and I'm going to import the FS built-in module. So first create a variable called FS, import using require FS colon node colon fs. Next, I'm going to use this fs variable to create a variable and console the values inside the file. So create a variable called file content fs dot read file sync. Here I'm going to mention one file dot slash and file1 dot txt. So I'm going to create one files 1 dot txt. So in this file I'm going to provide one value hello data hacks, and here I'm going to console the values console dot log file content. So provide node index run. So here we have the encoded values of this file hello data hacks, but we want the readable values. So here we have to mention encoding method utf8. Now we can clear the terminal, run again. So now you can see the value which is present inside the file. So this read file represents the method, the function which is going to be happen. This sync is going to represent the synchronous functionality. So if we are going to use this method while the file contains huge amount of data, there will be an issue. It will wait to proceed the next step. So to overcome this, we are going to use the asynchronous method. So to use asynchronous method, go with fs dot read file. Here again the same file we have to mention. So I'm going to copy the file and encoding method. After providing this, I'm going to provide one functionality here, arrow function. So this arrow function will have two methods, two inputs, error, another one is data. So data. Here I'm going to check there is an error or not. If there is an error, I'm going to provide console.log error. If there is a not error, provide else tag and console the data. So let me clear the terminal, run again. So you can see hello data hacks, hello data attacks twice. This is synchronous function, this is asynchronous. To prove this is an asynchronous function, I'm going to provide here console.log initial console. In the same way, I'm going to provide here final console. Open the terminal, clear it, run again. Here you can see initial console, which will console first. Here it is a synchronous file. So once this process is executed, next step will be execute. So here after this console only, next step the fs read file is going, but here it is an asynchronous one, so it is moving toward the final console. You can see final console. After this only, here the console data is executing. So this is how the asynchronous function is executed here. Next, I'm going to explain how to create a file. So here also, first I'm going to close the terminal. Fs file sync, create a file called first mention path, next greet.text. This is going to be my file name, and finally mention the content which is going to be present inside the file. Hello Bharat with exclamation. So next, again clear terminal, run again. Now we are facing some issues. So the issue here is, here we have given wrong command. So instead of copy file, we have to provide write file sync. Clear the terminal, run again. So now you can see greet.text. Here the content also provided properly. Next, I'm going to provide the asynchronous method for this also. It is synchronous. Next, go with asynchronous. Write file and mention the path and the encoding. Path. After this path, I'm going to provide the content hello Vijay. So here we have given a same file name, so it will override the content. Here arrow function, error. Again check for error. If there is an error, console the error. If there is no error, we can just console some data. File created. Just clear the terminal, run again. So here you can see file created. If we go to this greet.text, our content is overwritten with the hello Vijay. So next, here again I'm going to provide one external option. If we want to add some content extra in a file at that time, so here provide another comma object, mention flag. This flag A means append the content. So here the content with space and some clear the terminal, run again. And now go to the greet.text. you can see here the content has been updated here. The new file has not been created. In next video, I'm going to explain about how to use promise in FS module. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. You will get updates on time.